I've been having problems with my Toyota Alphard door opening. Just when I'm trying to open it from the rear boot lid, what would happen is it would just seize, so it wouldn't open. So what I found is that if I disconnect the battery and reconnect the battery, then it would work for a one-off shot. So I've taken off the entire trim and removed this motor, given it a little cleanup. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4 bolts that come out, and then I've just attached the one bolt over here, because I figure if it does jam, I may get a better chance of lifting it out if I don't have all the bolts underneath connected, and I've let the trim off. And then what I've done is I've taken off the connectors here, given it a clean, connectors here, given it a clean, and then I tracked it back up to here, given it a clean. Given this a clean, this is the one that connects into the switch, and there we go. So it seems to be now working, and hopefully it will just stay like that. All fingers crossed. But we can see it's definitely functioning just now. Okay, I'm going to check it from the outside as well, because there is always a possibility that this switch is not making the connection when activated from the outside. So that's what I'm going to do just now. It's going to go outside the door and give it a try. And what I've used is just an electrical cleaner just to clean it all up. So let's walk to the outside. And now that's interesting. Can you see that? It's not actually making... Oh, nope, it's making connection, sorry. I didn't hear it. There we go. Okay, so it all seems to be fixed. So that's what I've done today, and I'll just show you how I gained access to this trim. So this unclips here. Okay, you just there's no screws or anything. This unclips here. Okay, and then over on this section you have the door handles here, which have got two little bolts in there that need to be removed, screw bolts. And then if you've got an electric, I've only got electric one, so I popped off the trim here and the trim there to reveal two more screws, and then that drops off. And the bolts that I'm showing you underneath for cleaning is 1, 2, 3, and one over here as well, which is 4. So that's 1, 2, 3, and the one underneath there, which is 4. As you can see, the mechanism for all the electrics underneath. Plugging it back on is just the reverse. Just basically take these bits on, reattach them onto your trim, and then pop them back in. I hope that helps somebody.